If you're in IT support, you know this pain. I use Claude Code to build a PowerShell tool. It drafts vendor emails in Outlook automatically. Let's get into it. Let me show you what this used to look like. Every printer we manage is listed here in this Excel file. Finding the right row every time a ticket comes in gets old fast. That repetition is the giveaway that this is automatable. Here's where Claude Code comes in. I basically told it, build me a PowerShell script with a pop-up. It wrote the UI, the logic, and code to open Outlook. I described the outcome, and Claude handled the implementation. Let's see it in action. Run the script, a pop-up appears. Here's the tool. I select the site and request type. I hit submit. This turns a 10-minute task into a 15-second one. That adds up to real hours saved for your team. The same pattern applies to pulling asset details, or even creating renewal reminders. To do this yourself, first identify a repetitive task. Then, structure your data in an Excel or CSV and treat Claude Code like a pair programmer, and always keep a human review step in place. That wraps up our demonstration for today. Be sure to follow for more similar tips and tricks. We have plenty of automation guides coming soon. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.